In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your birthday on Facebook. Whether you've had a recent birthday or just realized that the date displayed isn't correct, updating it is a simple process. Let's walk through the steps together. First, you'll need to log into your Facebook account. Once you're on the main page, look towards the top right corner. There you'll find your profile picture. Click on it to access a drop-down menu. This is where you'll find the Settings and Privacy option, which is the next step in our journey. Once you click on Settings and Privacy, a new menu will appear. From here, you'll want to select Settings. This is where you can manage many aspects of your Facebook account, including your personal information. Next, you'll be directed to the Account Center. This is a hub for all your account settings and preferences. On this page, look for the section that says Personal Information or Directly Birthday. Clicking on this will take you to the area where you can view and edit your birthday information. Now you'll see your current birthday displayed. To make any changes, click on the Edit button next to the birthday field. This will allow you to change the month, day, or year. It's important to note that Facebook has restrictions on how often you can change your birthday, so ensure that all details are correct before saving. After you have updated your birthday to the correct date, the final step is to click on Save. This will update your profile with the new information. Facebook will now reflect the correct birthday, both for you and your friends to see. If you encounter any issues during this process, double check that you're following each step carefully. Also, remember that sometimes Facebook might limit the number of times you can change your birthday due to security measures. And that's it. You've successfully updated your birthday on Facebook. Remember, keeping this information accurate is not only important for personal reasons, but also for the security and integrity of your account. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more useful tips. Have a great day.